Today I'm going to tell you all about the Xero Water Filter Pitcher. I bought this 5 years ago and I just love it. It is the best tasting water I've ever had in my entire life. It tastes like it's from the purest water source on earth. It really is amazing. The Xero Water Pitcher comes with a TDS meter. This is not the one that it came with. Mine is, like I said, mine's 5 years old, so after a while they don't work anymore, so I had to buy. But you can buy a separate one, and that's what I did. I bought a separate one. I'm going to show you how to use it. I have tap water here, and I'm just going to pour some water from the pitcher into this other glass. And then we're going to measure the TDS, in other words, the total dissolved solids. Total dissolved solids are organic and inorganic materials such as metals, minerals, salts, and ions dissolved in the water. And this Xero Water Pitcher gets rid of all of that, and I will show you. Turn it on, and I'm going to measure the tap water first. So I just put it in until it comes up to here, and then press. Yeah, it says 333. 333. That's 333. That's a lot. So that's tap water. Now I'm going to test the Xero water. So we just place it in there and see zero. Zero. It's so delicious when it's a brand new filter is put in there. Oh, so good. Oh, speaking of filters, I have to change mine about once a month. There are 2 different ways that you can get water from here. You can use the spigot. You just hold it over the edge like that, and it comes out like that. Or you can pour from the spout. There we go. To replace the filter, I will show you. So you just take off the lid, turn it off, and then when you want to do, get a new filter, I find the easiest way is to hold it like this. And then you go like this. To add water, just add it to the top here. You can see it's just dripping in there. And it takes a few minutes. The newer the filter, the faster it goes. Overall, I love the Xero Water Filter Pitcher. It's amazing. The water, like I said, tastes like the purest water on earth. It's incredible. I've never tasted water as good. I give it 5 stars.